Guys, everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please. Everyone watch Java Bean videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. In future, I will use Java Beans a lot. Please go through that video a lot. Need of Java Bean is very nicely explained there. Okay. Example application on dependency injection. Example application on dependency injection. Okay. Using Maven tool. This is our today's agenda about. Using Maven tool. Yeah, sir, I don't know anything about Maven. Nothing to worry. We learn it dynamically, we use it dynamically. Understanding my statement? Okay. Tell me. Maven, Gradle, and etc. are called build tools. What tools, guys? Build tools, which simplifies application development. Simplifies application development. Okay. Tell me. These build tools can be integrated with IDEs. Okay. To get more simplification. Already IDEs are simplifying your life. If you use understanding my statement. Okay. Sir, qualifier is by name only, my dear. Jyoti Ranjan Behra. Qualifier we are specifying by name na, boss. Qualifier is by name na. Come on, my dear. Qualifier is by name na. Yeah. To get more simplification of application development. App means application development. Okay, guys. Tell me, boss. Maven features are. Okay. Maven features are. Gives. Tell me. Gives project archetypes. What, guys? Gives project archetypes, providing standard directory structures. Standard directory structures. To create different types of projects. Okay, to create different types of projects. Archetypes, terminologies are very, very important, guys. Popular archetypes are number one, tell me. Maven archetype quick start. What is there? For standalone applications. What application? Standalone application. Next, Maven archetype web app. Maven archetype web app. This is for what, guys? For web application. Maven archetype quick start for standalone application. Maven archetype web app for web applications, guys. These are the popular archetype. They generate the directory structure to create the standalone application, to create the web application. These two are quite popular, guys. Next, B, guys. Okay. Automatically downloads the dependencies. Automatically downloads the dependencies. Okay. To the Maven projects from the internet. Automatically dependencies to the Maven projects from the internet. Automatically downloads the dependencies to the Maven projects from the internet. Right now, boss? Here dependency is nothing but jar files, ra babu. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, definitely internet connection is required, guys. That's a quite meaningless question. Internet is required, or definitely required. At least first time. As long as you are downloading jar for the first time, internet connection is required. Connection is required. Okay. Supports the transitive dependency. Transitive dependency. That means if we download the main jar file, okay, it's if we ask to download, the main jar file or files, then it automatically downloads direct or indirect, direct and indirect dependent jar. Then it automatically downloads direct and indirect dependent jar files. Everyone understanding my statement? To search what are the dependents? What are the dependents of dependents? That's very clear, very, very interesting point or not? Transitive dependence. A is having dependence with B, B is having dependence with C, C is having dependence with D and E. If you try to download A dot jar, it will download B dot jar, C dot jar, D dot jar, E dot jar. Is it not interesting, Ra Babu? Is it not interesting, Ra Babu? Come on. Super, guys. Tell me. Okay. Allows us to pack the application. Allows us to pack the application in different ways, like jar file or var file or EAR. Like jar file or var file or EAR. EAR is nothing but what, guys? Jar plus var. Jar plus var. Super, guys. Next, enterprise application archive. Java archive, web application archive, enterprise application archive. Okay. Automatically runs the JUnit test cases. You need not to do unit testing separately, Rabab. JUnit test cases, if they are provided. As part of application execution only, it automatically runs the JUnit test cases if they are provided. Okay. Automatic test cases as part of application life cycle. As part of application life cycle, if they are provided. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? If they are provided, if they are provided. So you need not to do unit testing separately, Babu. Unit test cases will be executed automatically, right, boss? Super, guys. Provides built-in decompiler. What, guys? Built-in decompiler. Provides what, guys? Built-in decompiler to see the source code of the Java sources. To get the source code of the Java source. Java library. Get the source code of the Java libraries. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, you need not to install separate decompiler or you need not to go for online decompilers. Yes, no, boss. Capable of generating reports. Capable of generating reports. Giving complete information about the project. About the project. Like number of files, number of packages, and etc. Number of packages and etc. So Maven features are like this. Many beautiful features are there, na boss. Overall, it will much and much simplifies the application development or not. Okay. Note, guys. Maven is good for Java projects. Gradle is good for both Java and non-Java projects. Generally, Java people prefers Maven, boss. Non-Java people can use Gradle. Even Java people also can use Gradle. We are going to learn both. Initially, we start with Maven. Later, we will move to Gradle. Both are competitors to each other. But industry slogan is Java people prefers Maven, non-Java people prefers Gradle or Gradle. Okay, guys. Super. Tell me, guys. In Maven, every project jar file is called dependency. Okay. Plugin means that provides additional functionalities. Okay. Plugin provides additional functionalities. Is identified with three details, guys. With three details. Is identified with three details. Okay. First one, group ID. Group ID. Tell me what is group ID now? Project name. Sorry. What is that? Group ID. Company name or vendor name? Company name or vendor name. Next, artifact ID. Company name or vendor name. What is artifact ID? Project name in case of project. jar file name in case of jar file, plugin name in case of plugin name, plugin name in case of plugin. Next, version, project version in case of project, jar file version in case of jar file, plugin version, plugin version in case of plugin. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Group ID, company name or vendor name. Artifact ID, project name or jar file name or plugin name. Version, project version, jar file version, plugin version. Okay, boss. Next. Every Maven project contains one pom.xml file. One pom.xml file. Project object management. Okay. Using which we give inputs and instructions to Maven. Instructions to Maven tool. Maven build tool. Like project information, jar files information, plugins information, and other things. All these details will be given to Maven through what file, guys? Pom.xml. Pom means project object management. Yeah, terminologies are bit new, Bob. Remaining process is very easy. Process is very easy, right now, boss? Okay. Yes, boss. Tell me. Example application. Acha, last point, guys. All IDs are giving even as the built-in tool. Most of the latest IDs like Eclipse, what guys? Project object model management, boss. Model fine. Okay, whatever it is. Eclipse, tell me. Like Eclipse, IntelliJ, and etc. are giving built-in support. What support, guys? Built-in support for Maven tool. Built-in support for Maven tool. Right now, boss? Built-in support for Maven tool. Project object model, it seems, guys. Just check once in the net. Eclipse, IntelliJ, and etc. are giving built-in support for Maven tool, Rabab. Okay, here what built-in support. Happy boss, you need not to do anything. You take any, after 2020, any Eclipse you take, you get a built-in support. Example application, Rabab. What is our example application? Season Finder. Anyone completed this example application? Okay. What is the target class? Season Finder, right? Yeah, you asked. Some people attempted and completed, Babu. But today I'm going to give using Maven tool. Yeah, what is this? Java.time.local date. Java.time.local date. This is the dependent class. Okay. Step number one. create Maven project in Eclipse IDE. Create Maven project in Eclipse IDE. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Using the archetype. Using the archetype. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Create the Maven project in Eclipse IDE using the archetype Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Prince Gupta, every day you are saying voice breaking. Am I loud and clear, guys? Prince Gupta, why don't you check your network settings? If possible, attend the classes using Wi-Fi. Am I loud and clear? Prince Gupta, every day you cannot say same reason, na boss. I have a dedicated internet connection. Check your side. If you want, I'll show some practical proof, guys. Today, camera angle is changed. Same angle, light problem. That's it. Okay, fast.com. Yeah, what is the network speed, guys? What is the network speed it is showing? 100. To conduct the Zoom class, what is the network speed we need? 2-3 MB also sufficient. 2-3 MB. What? How much I am having here? Nearly 100 Mbps speed, right? Okay, please don't blame me. Your network is wrong. Yeah. All editors, guys. This is the basic setup we are having. File menu, new Maven project. I'll give procedure, don't worry. File menu, new Maven project. Right now, boss? Perfect. File menu, new Maven project. Say next. What is the one I should type? Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. This is the one headache here. You have to type very nicely, boss. Select this, boss. Say next. Asking project related group ID, generally company name, NIT, artifact ID, project name. What is the project name I want to take? IOC Pros 02. IOC Pros 02. Tell me, guys, injection. What is the default package you want to get? Other packages will make client application is common every time now, boss. So that's why I want to create client application package as the default package. Yeah, artifact ID, group ID, and save finish. Save finish. File menu यारो. File menu यारो. New यारो. Even project yaro. Even project yaro. Search for even hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Search for even hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Okay, boss. This is the one we have to select, right? This is for searching, and this is the one we have to select. Tell me next one, guys. What is the next one? Say next. Even project here, one small next will be there. Search for even hyphen archetype of this one. Here, what is this? Next. This information we have to provide now, boss. Group ID, all this stuff, right? Group ID, tell me. Artifact ID, client application. Next, finish. Next, finish, boss. Getting my point? Okay. We will take up this topic later. So only on this project development. Okay, what is next one? Finish, boss. Finish. Yeah. Yeah. Next one. Observe the generated directory structure. Step number 2. Observe the. Is it possible to create our own archetype? Already 1,000+ archetypes are there. Generally, we don't create. If you want, you can create. It's a complex process. Observe the. Though there are 1,000+ archetypes, 2 are popular. One is KickRad, one is WebApp. Observe the generated directory structure. Observe the generated directory structure. This is directory structure now, boss. These are the folders that came. Come on. This is the main folder, guys. These are the default files have come. Default package with the default files have come. Did you notice that? Expand it. Expand it. Observe very carefully. SRC main Java. SRC main Java. For SRC main Java folder, this is shortcut na. SRC test Java. This is shortcut. For SRC test Java, this is shortcut. Come on, guys. See, same content, boss. So instead of doing this much deeper, they have given shortcuts, boss. Application.java is default file that is created. Waste, nothing will be there. Just a class with main method. If you delete, also not a issue. If you delete, also not a issue. Application test.java is having some dummy unit testing code, dummy JUnit testing code. If you delete, also not a problem. Yes, boss. Okay. So let us try to understand, boss. Observe the generated directory structure, guys. Yeah, JUnit is part of tools, guys. We will get the classes on. Okay. Durga Prasad, did you attend starting class? There I have given list of tools and one tool name is JUnit. Come on. Folder to place source code packages, right? Folder to place source code pack. source code pack, source code, packages and the packages and the files. Next one, guys. Folder to place. Testing code, packages and files. Unit testing code, packages and files. Everyone getting my point? Yeah, target folder is folder having output content. Contains generated outputs. And I said, na, Maven can give unit testing results, Maven can give project info, Maven can give X, Maven can generate var file, jar files, all outputs will be there. Contains generated output, guys. Okay, guys, contains generated outputs. See, guys, this is looking like a shortcut for SRC main Java. This is looking like a shortcut for SRC test Java. Okay. Also dependencies. Dependencies, nothing but Java. Nothing. And this is the pom.xml where we give the instructions. To give inputs and instructions to event. Yeah, this is a directory structure that we will get for what, guys? Archetype kickstart archetype. But by default, it is giving what version of Java, guys? 1.7. But I want to change JDK version, guys. Let's use the latest version. Step number 3. Change the default is this one. Change the default JDK version 1.7 to 17. 17. Above 11 plus. Above 11 plus, guys. Because Spring 6.x is compatible with 11, boss. Above 11 plus. Above any number. Anything above 11. Anything above 11. Anything above 11, right? 1.8 not recommended. I think Spring 6.x is compatible with 1. Java 11. Java 11. If you okay, listen, what should I do? In pom.xml, looks a lot of XML, you need not to be panic. Okay. Change 1.7 to 17. If you are interested, some other number also you can take it. Understanding my statement, guys? While creating Maven project, Maven dependencies folder is not showing. Okay. Maven dependencies folder is not showing. Okay. Will be shown if you add one to this one. Change it now, boss. Super. Stop doing practicals parallelly. If any of these folder is missing, means you have not used correct quick start. Correct archetype. You might have confused and used old archetype. Wrong archetype. You have to choose exactly this archetype. Stop doing parallel practicals. Put your focus here. If you do parallel practicals, what's the problem? If you stuck up somewhere, you will not listen further class. Later, you will cry. Maven update project. It is 17 now, boss. It is 17 now, boss. Come on, change it to 17 or not. So what are the two things, guys? Number one, change Java version in pom.xml file. Change Java version in pom.xml file. Hold here 1770. Yeah, if you take the latest, take 1819 also. This this we have to. This version of Eclipse, what I am using is supporting maximum of 70. If you use the latest Eclipse 2023-03 kind of thing, you can go for 19 also, no problem. You can go for 19 also, but every Eclipse is having a maximum limit to support. Right now, I have 2022-03, guys. And no need of installing this 17 in your computer, boss. That's the beauty. Eclipse will bring that one dynamically. You need not to install 17 or 19 or 20, whatever you are using in your computer. It's not required. Just change the network. Perform Maven update. Perform Maven update. Tell me, guys. Right click on the project. Okay. Right click on the project. Maven update project. Maven update project. Okay. Dot. Just say okay kind of. So automatically the Java version will be changed to 17 or not. Java version is changed. Earlier, how much, guys? 1.7. How much it is? 7. How much it is? 17. Step number 4. Guys. Step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 4. Okay, guys. Next one. Create packages. Create packages to place the source. Are you understanding my statement? Spandana, I hope you are not listening class properly. It seems I said no need of installing Java in your computer. If you change to 2020, you need not to install. 30, you need not to install. 17, you need not to install. Spandana madam, 2 minutes back I cleared it. So when I say no need of installing, without installation, you will keep things in environment variables. Please, guys, listen the class carefully, guys. I am requesting everyone. And moreover, by taking someone's name and I give reply, keep the good habit of yes, sir, no, sir, understood, sir, not understood, sir. Don't be stone after listening my reply. Yes. Spandana madam, I hope you got it. Okay. Create packages to place the source code in src/java/src/main/java folder. src/main/java. Got it, my dear? Tell me. Let me create the packages. Already client package is there. Let's add some more packages. com.nt.sbeans, right? com.nt.sbeans. CS. Client is already there. Client is already there. You need not to touch that. It's a default file. If you want, you can delete it first. Okay. com.nt.client coming by default because we have chosen one package name as default package while creating the project, right? Yes, boss. This is default package list. I think I have given directory structure, a default application file, default standalone application, default standalone application, default unit testing code. Yeah. No, this package we have chosen, these files are coming by default. Default unit testing. Default testing class. We don't create them, they come dynamic. Yeah. So default things are created, boss. Tell me next one. Step number 5. Develop the source code of the project. Achha, first of all, 1 minute. Add main dependency. Main dependency. Main dependency. Nothing but jar file. Jar file. What is that, guys? Spring context support in pom.xml. In pom.xml by collecting the related info from mvn repository from mvnrepository.com. Yeah, where is this, guys? Here is this mvnrepository.com. Cool, guys. mvnrepository.com. Tell me, Spring context support. This is the website. This is nowhere related to Maven. This is the just website. They survive with advertisements. They survive with advertisements. Some advertisements are coming now, boss. Okay. They're just helping us, especially. Yeah, Spring context support. Yes. Choose the latest version. Yes. Okay. Go to Maven tab. This information is there, na? Group ID, organization name, artifact ID, jar file name, version. If you add this one, copy this, add it to where, guys? pom.xml. Already some dependencies are there in pom.xml related to JUnit. Some dependencies coming by default. There you add it, paste it. There you add it, paste it. Okay. Before I save, you look at the Maven dependency section. Only JUnit related 2 jars are there. One main jar, one dependent jar, which comes by default. which comes by default. Okay. Now I click on save button, guys. See, all jars have come now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exactly same jars we have added in the first project. Life is very easy now, boss. Life is very easy now. Other day, to download the 7-jar file, at least 20 minutes you might have spent. But now that headache is not there now, boss. Transitive dependency are you able to feel. Main is having one dependency. That is having other dependency. That is having other dependency, right? Transitive dependencies are happening or not happening? Okay. To mvnrepository.com. Go to mvnrepository.com. Search for Spring Context Support. Search for Spring Context Support. Right now, boss? Okay. Select Spring Context Support. Okay. Click on 6.0.7 version. Okay. Select Maven tab. Select Maven tab. Right now, boss? Select Maven tab. Now copy paste the code. Copy paste the dependency tag code. Tag code. Dependencies section of copy paste dependency tag code in dependencies section of pom.xml. What file, guys? Dependencies section of pom.xml. Okay. Yeah, how to know this is the main jar file? Okay, that comes with experience, that comes by listening classes. That's it. Or you have to read the document. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Oh, pom.xml, dependencies section of pom.xml. This is the group ID, this is artifact ID, this is version. Okay, this is a version. This gives me what, guys? This gives event dependencies. This gives these jars. Gives both main and dependent jars. Transitive dependence. Transitive dependence. Right, boss? Everyone getting my point, boss? Yeah. Now jar file headache is gone now, boss. Life is easy. Step number 6. Develop the source code. Develop the source code in different packages of different packages are src/main/java form and slash java form. Okay. Listen carefully. These are the various packages. First, SBeans was. What is the class? Season Finder. Season Finder. At the rate component. ESF. At the rate component ESF. Season Finder. Right now, boss? Yeah, public class season finder was. Tell me what is the one I should inject? Local date time. Right, boss? Local date is enough, Raghav. Not time is not required. Just date. What is the best injection, guys? Field injection is the best, na, boss? Get the rate auto. Get the rate auto. Is there any need of setter method, constructor, anything? Auto. Cool, guys. To give the feeling this class object is created, I'm taking one zero param constructor here. Only for a feel to feel this class object is created. Zero param constructor, right? Zero param constructor. At the rate auto avoid this one, Raghav. Tell me next one. Public string. Generate wish message. String use. Public string generate wish message. Are not generate wish message, Raghav. Okay. Tell me. Okay. Find season. Find out season name. Find out season name string user, right? Okay. That's a businessman. That's clean business. Systrace. Tell me was get current month value. Current month value. Into month is equal to date dot get month value, right? Date dot get month value. And if month less than or equal to month greater than or equal to 3, and what is there? Month less than or equal to 6. What is the message I want to say? Okay, what is the message? If I'm just taking username to just wish the person, right? Return. Okay. Hot summer. Hot summer wishes to plus user. Only to just make things looking quite good. Hot summer wishes to user. Else if month, tell me guys, month greater than or equal to 7 and month less than or equal to, come on, month less than or equal to 10. Return, tell me. Cool winter. Winter or rainy? Okay. Tell me what is there? Rainy. Rainy. Okay. What is the wishes? Drizzling. Drizzling monsoon wishes. Monsoon wishes. Plus use. Else, guys, return cool winter wishes. Cool winter wishes to colon user. Cool winter wishes to colon user. Right now, boss? At the rate component SF, guys. At the rate auto wide date, guys. Find out season string use. Find out season string user. Right now, boss? Yes, my dear. This is my season finder, boss. This is my season finder. This is my season finder. I think everyone convinced with me. Business logic, everyone got the clarity, guys. Wishes to. Okay, now I have to develop a dependent class. Should I develop? It is already available. Dependent class I need not to develop. It is already there as a predefined class. I need to configure it as a Spring Bean. How to configure it as a Spring Bean, my dear? Okay, by taking bean tag of Spring Bean configuration file or not? Okay, listen. One more time, I am showing how to develop Spring Bean configuration file. New others XML. Application context.xml. I'll solve this problem also. Importing namespaces is a bit difficult now, but in future I'll solve this problem also. Say next. Say next. Say finish. We got it like this now, boss. Come on. We got it like this. Go to sample Spring Bean configuration file. Sample Spring Bean configuration file. Okay, how to define Spring Bean configuration file? There na, boss? There, here sample is there. Copy paste the header section. Copy paste the header section. Say next. End of the beans. But listen carefully. Beans.xsd. Is there any slash here? No. Context.xsd. This extra slash is coming now. Mistake in the content itself. Mistake in the content itself. Line number 6 extra slash is there. Remove it. I think all these steps are given in the first application development. All these steps are given in the first application development, right? Configure predefined class as. Predefined Java class as the Spring Bean. Okay, guys. Tell me, guys. Bean ID. Configure predefined Java class as the Spring Bean. Bean ID. What is the Bean ID, guys? SF. Okay, DTF. Fine, guys. LD. Just LD. Class is equal to local date. Java dot time dot. Okay, local date. I want to get with system date and time. I need to enable factory method now, boss. Static factory method now. Now, factory method now. It calls local date dot now method. Local date dot now method to create the object for local date class. To create the object for local date class. Got it, my dear? Okay. This is LD. Java.time.local date. Factory method is what now? Factory method is now. Understanding my statement, boss? Now tell me. Enable the component scan. Enable the component scan, right? Context colon component scan base package com.ent. Base package com.ent. Com.ent.sbeans na boss. Array, this will search for classes having @ component annotation. This will search for the classes having @ component annotation. I want reply, boss. I want reply from you. It will search for the class that is having @ component or not. Yeah, because of this, @ component classes become Spring Bean. Because of this, local date class becomes Spring Bean. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Tara Damera, are you here to mug up the code or to understand the code? Tushara, if you are here to mug up the code, stop coming to this batch from tomorrow onwards. My dear, component scan is a Spring Bean or component scan is asking IOC container. Go to this package, search for the classes with @ component annotation and make them as Spring Beans. Tushara, if you are here to mug up the code, please stop attending classes from tomorrow. I am not the right faculty for you. Look at the question asked by Tushara, boss. That means he is expecting ID should be there everywhere. That means he is not trying to think what is the purpose of the tag. Stupid fellow. Completed engineering, Ra Babu. Try to bring common sense, Ra. How many days you will mug up and get the marks? So when this tag is there, to tell to IOC container, go to this package, search for all the classes having @ component annotation and make them as Spring Beans. Then why ID will be here? Tell me. Why ID? Use brains, Ra Babu. Use common sense, Ra Babu. Don't study like a monkeys and donkeys. Don't study like a LKG, UKG students. Please. I'm really hurted by seeing your question. Sir, why are you not giving ID for component scan? That means he is not at all trying to apply meaning of the tag. He's just expecting every tag should have an ID. Sorry, boss. If you study like this, you cannot even clear first and second round also. You'll fail in Core Java interview itself. Don't mug up. Try to understand the meaning, apply the meaning. Sorry, sir. I have to say this. Otherwise, you'll think that I asked great questions or has given very normal answer. Okay, boss. I have to make you to realize the way you are thinking is wrong. Develop the source code in different packages of this one, boss. I hope everyone is clear on this. This will do only scanning only. This will do only scanning. Making user-defined class as Spring Bean is happening because of component, right? So ID will be there here, na? ID will be there here, right? Super. Next, what is there that to develop, guys? Client application is there to develop or not? A default file has come. I don't want that. Leave it, guys. Class dependency injection test. Dependency injection test, guys. Tell me, first of all, I have to create IOC container. Create IOC container. Yeah. When I'm using file system XML application context, it will search for the container where, guys, in the project folder, right? But right now, our package is directly there in the project folder. No. First, it is there in SRC main Java folder is there. Inside that, this package is there. Inside that, this package is there. Right now, boss? File system XML application context. CTX is equal to new file system XML application context. SRC slash main slash. Okay, boss. SRC slash main slash. Sir, everything can be added in a single package, but not recommended. Different things should be placed in different packages. Is the Java people giving all classes in a single java.lang package? No, no. They are also giving in different packages. Java.lang, java.util, java.io. Then what's your problem to take different things in different packages? Are you doing everything in single room or you are doing different things in different rooms? For kitchen separate room, for bedroom separate room, for living separate room. Yes, na boss? I don't know why people won't accept the facts. Every day one fellow asks, can I keep all these things in a single package? What's your problem to keep in different packages? For living, you need room separately, bathroom separately, kitchen separately. When it comes to code development, everything in a single place. Categorization is very important, Babu. Suppose you left the company, someone came, at least by seeing package name, you will understand this package contains this package contains this, right? Yes or no, na? Moreover, in company, so many Spring Beans will be there. Multiple Spring Bean configuration files will be there. If you mix up everything, it's meaningless, right? In future, further, sorry, you don't believe, Babu. In whatever projects you join and work in the company, only to see package name, one screen of Eclipse is not sufficient. That means if I display only package name, not their content, if I keep like this itself, only to see package names, only to see package name, I have to scroll up and scroll down Eclipse screen. Those many packages will be there in one company project. Yes, na? So people are not mental and stupid na to create those many packages. Definitely they are creating for a purpose, na? Why? Every project contains 2000 plus classes, 3000 plus classes, 100 plus different files, lot of jar file. Are you going to mix up everything? Come out of those core Java small days, Babu. Think big. Spring is there to develop big things. Spring is not there to do time pass like our core Java time pass applications. Please stop thinking in a core Java style. Think like you are working for a company. You are developing project. Come out of those core Java days. How many days you will think like a core Java days, right? One or other day you have to get up and grow up. SRC main Java. Tell me. com/nt/cfz/. Because I'm worried every day one person asks, Sir, can I? Sir, can I? Application context.x. Yeah, see guys, since Maven has come, these are extra guys. These are extra. Okay, super boss. Get target Spring Bean class object. Tell me. Object to obj is equal to ctx.getBean. What is there? SF. That's it. Then typecasting. Why we are doing typecasting, guys? If you want to call by methods of subclass directly by using supraclass reference variable, definitely required. Season finder. Finder is equal to, tell me, season finder of obj. Season finder of obj. Right now, boss. Next, invoke the business method. All these things we are doing to enjoy the business logic now, boss. String result is equal to finder dot find out season of. Hey, Raja is just to get the wish messages, right? System dot out dot println result. Close container. CTX dot. Everything is easy now, boss. Anything great? Anything great, my dear? Season finder dot Java. Copy this, paste this. Season finder dot Java. Application context dot XML. Application context dot XML. Here is my application context dot XML. Next, here is my client application. Dependency injection test dot Java. Dependency injection test dot Java. Dependency injection test dot Java. Easy na, boss? I'm just taking a chance to develop this application with Maven. Though you already completed this application, please redo it again by using Maven. Because tomorrow onwards, we are going to develop every application using Maven only. Yes, na? Life is becoming easy na with Maven. Run the application. Run the client application. Run the client application. First option. Right click, run as a Java application. It's coming. Hot summer wishes to Raja. Array, right now we are in summer season now, boss. Super. Okay, click on it. Hot summer wishes to Raja. Control F11, huh? Or only F11? Yeah, only F11 is sufficient. Okay. If you are using laptop, functional key F11. Hot summer wishes to Raja. All the regular three things, boss. All the regular three things. Okay. Right click on. Right click on. Right click in client application source code. Run as Java application. Or run button. Run button in the menu bar. Or F11. For laptop people, Fn plus F11. For laptop people, functional key plus F11, right? Great, guys. I hope you enjoyed, especially jar file problem gone, directory structure problem gone. Right. Super. Yeah, after having all this thing, how the project looks, it looks like this. The project looks like this. I think these are the important things. See. This is the directory structure at the end of everything. Yes. Let me save the project here. Let me save the project here. What's your course, guys? 7:30, 7 a.m. Okay. We learn JUnit, then we do unit testing, Rabba. Today only everything, boss. First learn JUnit, now, boss. People are excited, I like. How can we see these jars are? We create in target folder. Okay, yeah. We have to use special meven command, then they will come in target folder. Still, right now we are just executing application. We have to give different instructions to get the jar files, to get the var files. Okay. Karthik, problem is your side, check it out. Please stop using classes using mobile data. Start attending classes using Sachin Jadhav. Sachin Jadhav, which class is used for, which injection is used mostly? You only tell me. You only tell me which injection is used mostly. Field injection is mostly used injection, right? Even based application development. Unsatisfied dependency. Array BinID problem, @AutoVid problem. Come on. You see, go through the code somewhere. Somewhere. Field injection is used most. Last class notes updated in Google Classroom. I was not able to see. Last class notes is kept in this one now, boss. Not kept in this place. Yeah, in future you will see how to take user-defined class as Spring Bean also. Don't worry. Future we will see how to develop user-defined class as Spring Bean. Okay, 716 guys, core module, Maven-based application development. Seventh, last class is 8th, boss. 8th notes is not uploaded. Let me check once. My drive uploaded. Okay, 8th, arbitrary method injection. Acha, order is mismatched. Okay, first 8th came, then first 8th came, then 7th came. Okay, no problem. Yeah, just to check order little bit. Thank you. Yes, tomorrow onwards, I'm going to prepare background for second application development. Okay. Athva Pandey, contact the admin, collect the backup videos, watch it, then start attending these classes. Parallelly, you have to complete the backup videos. Any newcomers, please watch backup videos. Okay. Google Classroom link will be shared by admin. Don't ask me. Spring Core jar also comes with Maven. Is it dependent jar or Spring Context Support? Spring Context Support itself will give Spring Core jar. You need not to add manually, right? So thank you guys. Have a nice time. And I will start session in between 7:05 to 7:10. 7:05 to 7:10. Don't be panic, right? Thank you. Have a nice